In order for us to understand which markets we're penetrating, in the last few weeks we've done extensive market research on potential cities that the DAV solution could work in. Following the information we collected, we decided to go for advanced Facebook campaigns where we actually found thousands of people that want to buy DAV scooters. So we have their contact information and we started contacting them via email. We created 25 Facebook groups. Each and every one of them is for a specific city. So we got 25 different cities which are candidates for the DAV scooter solution to be implemented within their cities. In that community, we need 2 or 3 local moderators. So far, we managed to register 13 new moderators. These are locals that are helping us connect to other locals within the city. This is super exciting. They help us with translations. They give us suggestions. We actually already onboarded a few DAV partners in 2 major cities in Europe, and this is going great. I'm constantly on the phone on a daily basis with different shop owners and also community moderators which want to become part of our network. You too, thank you so much for reaching out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye, have a great day. Bye-bye.